Okay, we're looking at stocks and shares. Okay, we're going to complete this table. I'm not going to complete the whole table, just the first row, maybe the second, to show you how to work out yield and price earning ratio, value of dividend, and current value of all shares. Okay, so we've got Woolies. We're going to look at Woolies. Okay, their face value is $1. That's what they were originally put on the market on, and now their market price, which they are now, okay, is 375 cents, so $3.75. The dividend that you receive each year for owning shares is 18 cents per share. Okay, and we're going to calculate the yield. Okay, so the yield is the percentage of your dividend over your market price. Okay, it's important that they're in the same unit, so like cents and cents or dollars and dollars. Okay, so let's keep it in cents. So we're going to go equals dividend 18 divided by 375. Now it says times 100%. That means times by 100 and chuck a percent on the end. Okay, times by 100% is 18 divided by 375 times 100, 4.8%. Okay, 4.8%. So that's the yield. Okay, so those shares yield 4.8% of what they currently are as a dividend. Price earning ratio is the ratio, so it's unitless, okay, of the market price over the dividend. Okay, so it's a useful one for another statistic to compare shares for. Okay, so if I do this, market price 375 over 18, 20.83. Okay, so that one, it's kind of one of those ones where the smaller the number, the better. Okay, you can maybe even think of it as this is the number of years it would take for your dividend that you earned to pay off how many shares you bought. Okay, shares owned is 2,000, so we're going to work out the value of the dividend, which is just how many you have, okay, times by what the dividend is. It's just that times by dividend. Okay, so we've got 2,000 times by 18 cents is 36,000 cents. Okay, and all about communication. Let's turn that into dollars. We'll divide by 100, $360. Okay, so your dividend each year is $360 off of those 2,000 shares. And then last of all, current value of all shares, okay, is just our market price, I'll label it MP, yep, times by that, how many shares owned, okay, times by your number, yep. So we've got 375 cents times by 2,000 shares, that's 750,000 cents, which is, okay, divided by 100, it's going to be $7,500. Okay, so if you sold all your shares right now, you get $7,500. Okay, take a look at this. Let's do the second one quickly. Coles. Okay, yield is going to be our dividend 23 divided by our market price 528 times 100% is 4.38%. Okay, so we can start comparing them. We can see that Woolies has a better yield than Coles. Okay, let's look at the price earning ratio, which is going to be the other way around. 528 on 23 is 22.96. Okay, so again, smaller the number the better there. So Woolies has a better price earning ratio. Let's look at this. Let's look at our value of dividend. We got 5,000 this time. 5,000 times 23 cents a share. 115,000 cents, which is $11,500. Okay, and then last of all, current value of shares, market price times your number is going to be the market price is 528 times how many shares we have, 5,000 is 528 times 5,000 is, that's a big number, 2640000, okay, which is going to be $26,400. It's pretty good. Okay, so there we go. That is completing this table, working out yield, price earning ratio, dividend, and current value.